In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landscape in Unreal Engine 5. Let's jump right in. Open your Unreal Engine project and head to the World Outliner. If you see a default floor or plane in the scene, select it and delete it. Clearing that out gives your new terrain room to exist at the correct height without overlapping anything. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and switch into Landscape mode. This opens the Landscape tool, which is where you'll both create and edit your terrain. In the New section, you'll see default settings for size and resolution. Those defaults are perfectly fine for a first pass, so go ahead and click Create. Give it a moment to load. Unreal is generating the landscape actor and preparing the tools in the background. Once it's ready, you can start shaping your world. You'll find tools like Sculpt to raise terrain, Smooth to soften rough areas, Flatten to level out plateaus, and Erase to bring areas back down. Take a second to adjust your brush size, fall off, and strength, so you have precise control over how dramatic each stroke is. If you need broad changes, use a large brush and higher strength. For detail work, dial them down. You can also change the brush type to instantly get different effects. A soft round brush is great for rolling hills, while more defined brushes help carve sharper ridgelines and terraces. Think of brush types as the character of your strokes and strength as the intensity. Now let's give the terrain its look. On the right side, select the landscape actor in the Details panel. Then find the Landscape Material field. Click the drop-down and choose the material or texture you want to apply to your landscape. After you select it, Unreal may take a moment to compile shaders. That's normal. Once it finishes, your terrain will display the chosen surface. If your material blends multiple textures like grass, rock, or dirt, you'll see them appear based on how the material is set up. At this point, you've got a functional landscape you can sculpt and paint to match your vision. Start rough, then refine. Big shapes first, details later, and use brush settings to keep your edits smooth and believable. That's all there is to creating a landscape in Unreal Engine 5.